Okay. Now let's see solve the problems. Let's read it first. Neema had 59 rupees and 50 paise. Chintan gave 16 rupees 50 paise to her. Now how much money does Neema have in all? So first of all, here we will write rupees. Okay. And here we will write paise. Now Neema had 59 rupees 50 paise. So we will write 59 in rupees, okay, and 50 in paise. Now here we will write Neema had. Okay. Now Chintan gave 16 rupees 50 paise to her. So here we will write 16, okay, in rupees and 50 in paise. Now here we will write Chintan gave. Okay. Now it is asked how much money does Neema have in all. So here we have to find out total amount. Yes. So what we will do? Yes, we will do addition. Okay, we will just add this. Now let's see. First we will add paise. Yes. Now 0 plus 0, you will get 0 only. Now 5 plus 5, yes, it is 10. So here we will put 0 and here we will just carry 1. Okay, that you can see in rupees. That also this line that comes in ones place. Now 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16. Yes. So here it will come 6 and here we will carry 1. Okay. Just above 5 that comes in tens place, that also in rupees. Okay. Now 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So you got this total amount. Yes, 76 rupees. So this is total amount. Okay. Now how we will write this? We will write Neema has 76 rupees, okay, in all. Like this you have to do. Understood? Now let's see another one. Mahendra had 75 rupees. He got 17 rupees and 50 paise on selling an old bag. Now how much money does Mahendra have in all? So first of all, here we will write rupees. Okay. And here we will write paise. Now Mahendra had 75 rupees. So in rupees we will write 75 and in paise we will just place 2 zeros. Okay. Now in statement what we will write? Mahendra had. Mahendra had. Now he got 17 rupees and 50 paise on selling an old bat. So here we will write 17 and here we will write 50. Here we will just write got on selling an old bat. Yes. Now here it is asked how much money does Mahendra have in all. So here it is asking understood how to do this? Yes? Now let us see another one. Nirali has 56 rupees. If she purchased jaggery worth 14 rupees 50 paise, what amount will be left with her? So first of all, here we will write rupees. Okay, and here paise. Now Nirali has 56 rupees. So here we will write 56 and here we will just place 2 zeros. Now here we will write Nirali has. Okay. Now she purchased jaggery worth 14 rupees 50 paise. So here we will write 14 in rupees and 50 in paise. And here we will just write spent for purchasing. Spent for purchasing jaggery. Yes. Now it is asked what amount will be left with her. Yes, here we will find out with the help of subtraction. Okay, so we will just subtract this. First of all, we will see in paise. Now here you can find 2 zeros are there. So here it will come 0. Now, okay. Now you can see from 0, 5 cannot go. So what we can do? Yes, we will just borrow from 6 that you can see in rupees and that also in ones place. So we will just cut this 6 and make it 5. And here we will just put 1. Now this will become 10. Now 10 minus 5. Yes, you will get 5. Now 5 minus 4. Yes, you will get 1. And 5 minus 1. Yes, you will get 4. Now 41 rupees 50 paise. Okay, you can see. And here we will write rupees left. Now how we will write this? So here we will write 41 rupees 50 paise will be left with her. Will be left with her. Okay, like this you have to do. Understood? Now let's see another one. Payal had 70 rupees. She purchased a book worth 20 rupees 50 paise from that. Then what amount will be left with her? So first of all, here we will write rupees and here we will write paise. Now Payal had 70 rupees. So here we will write 70. Here we will place 2 zeros. And here we will write Payal had. Now she purchased a book. Okay, worth 20 rupees 50 paise. So here we will write 20. Okay, and here we will write in paise 50. 50 paise. Okay, now here we will write spent for purchasing book. Now it is asked what amount will be left with her. Yes, so here we will find out with the help of subtraction. Yes, so we will just subtract this. Now first of all, we will see in paise. Now 0 minus 0, you will get 0 only. Now from 0, 5 cannot go. So we have to borrow. Now rupees also in ones place you can see 2 zeros are there. So we will just borrow from 7 that you can see in tens place in rupees. Okay, so this will become 6 and this will become 10. We will just cut this 10 and make it 9. Okay, now we will just place here 1. So this will become 10. Now 10 minus 5, yes, you will get 5. Now 9 minus 0, yes, you will get the same number 9. Now Okay, like this you have to find out. Understood? So students, I hope today's concept is very clear to you. I will leave you with that. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.